Hello Guiding Bolt fans, Ron here. I'm going to show you how to change a fuse in a dryer. We have bad electricity. Every now and then we get feedback that causes a particular fuse in this dryer to blow. I already know which one is the bad one, but I will kind of show you what's going on here. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure you unplug the dryer. You don't want to do anything electrical while it's still live and plugged in. Then you're going to pull this back plate off. There's generally about 8 screws to get it off. They're usually about 1/4 or 5/16 head screws. Once you have that off, your next goal is going to be to figure out which one of your fuses is your bad boy. This one right here is our bad fuse because I know which one blows on this. If you don't know what it is, what you're going to do is you're going to take and pull these off one by one, and then you're going to test the continuity on the fuse to make sure electricity can flow through it. If I don't have a video out for this, I'll get one out to show you continuity. For this one, I just want to focus on the fuses. Once you know which one's your bad fuse, you're going to come in here and you're just going to unscrew it just like so. This is another 1/4 inch head on this one. This guy just pulls out like this. What you're going to do is you're going to pull these leads off right here, and then you're going to put your replacement part right back on. What I like to do to make sure I don't mess up is I pull one lead at a time, and I put it right back in the same one. Just like that. Just like that. And then this one just kind of locks down, and then you just put that screw back in and you're done. We generally know a fuse is gone on ours when we press the button, the light's on inside but the tumbler doesn't work. You can pick these parts up. They're at any appliance store. We go to Day Appliance. They're about 15 bucks for a replacement fuse, which is a lot cheaper than replacing a like $500 to $600 dryer. Feel free to comment if you have any questions. Have a great day.